Today Mo fits the gate, puts the rollers on the gate. Down the foundations are 6 inches down is steel and concrete, and the posts are concrete maybe 500 mil down. So then it's on a steel runner and steel rollers. Then he builds another frame here to attach to the posts with runners on it as well. So there's 3 of them. So all in all, a solid gate. Three days work to build the gate and to do the concrete work and then to fit it. It's no a one-day job. It's quite hard. But the gate's 5 metres. But once it's on for life basically. It can stay there for a long, long, long time. As long as it's painted. And then the rollers are here. On there, they go to that post. And then he gets exact size for the gate and the rollers to fit in, then he welds it. Mr. Bo Welding Company. Happy weld name, eh? Happy weld. But what to do is never ever put soft dirt where you're going to put a gate, because the mud's crazy on your plate. So use a hard volcanic ash, or at least good size chips to go on. But this stuff's just a joke. Great for the garden, but useless for a driveway. So that's two runners on now, eh? Two. Another one to go. Then we'll fit a lock on this post. But the posts are solid. You could actually weld a nice steel thing over here, like a welcome or maybe your farm name or something like that you could put on it. But terrible the mud, eh? So muddy. Oh, terrible. They just created the driveway now. This is a new road just been created, but wrong time of year with the heavy rain, but we had to do it. And then the gate will be fitted now. Another maybe half an hour. Put the fence back. But this needs hardcore. Basically will be chips, concrete chips. We'll go back now and see what else I can do. I'm levelling the garden using the same idea, the dirt from we're building a prawn fishing here and a fishing lake here, so the boys made a big ditch to put the pond in, so I put the soft dirt in the garden, so now the boys are levelling the garden. But same again, muddy. But after it'll be done, maybe another one day. Okay, so that's the gate progress. The gate progress and the muddy udon. That's the last roller going on now. Okay, I'll update you when it's painted and it's finished. And we'll try and get the outside fixed as well so it's no soft mud. Okay, on to the next job.